In this video, I'll show you how to approve your Payoneer address verification by submitting the correct proof of address the right way. First, sign in to your Payoneer account and check if there's a notification asking for address verification. In most cases, Payoneer handles this through the Verification Center, where you'll see the exact request and upload button for your documents. Payoneer says proof of address is one of the common documents requested during account verification. Next, and prepare an accepted document that clearly shows your full name and the exact address you used when registering. Payoneer's guidance says common proof of address documents include a utility bill or a bank statement, and these usually need to be no older than 3 months. Now upload the document in the Verification Center. Make sure the image is clear, complete, and easy to read. If the name, address, or date is missing, or the document does not meet the requirements, Payoneer may reject it. After that, submit it and wait for the review. If it gets rejected, open the rejection message, fix the issue, and upload a better document that matches your Payoneer account exactly. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.